Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the Kurukshetra magazine summary. Our topic is bamboo industry, crafting the livelihood of rural people. Around 80% of the bamboo forests lie in Asia, with India, China and Myanmar having 19.8 million hectares of the bamboo. Bamboo production in India. India has one of the richest bamboo resources in the world, second only to China in bamboo production. The annual bamboo production in the country is estimated at 3.23 million tons. However, the country's share in the global bamboo trade and commerce is only 4%. 2015-16 and 2016-17 data shows that India is a net importer of bamboo despite having growing stock both within and outside forest. Mizoram has the largest bamboo cover in the India as compared to the geographical area covered by the other state. More than half of the Mizoram's land has bamboo forest. Importance: bamboo is an integral part of our life and culture as it is used in religious ceremonies, art and music. For tribal and forest dwellers, bamboo for living and living with bamboo is still norm. This offers an excellent starting point in increasing employment, income generation, and improving nutritional status of rural poor. Bamboo can provide the basis for an expanding small and medium enterprises sector and hence can act as a tool for poverty alleviation in the rural areas. Unlike hardwood trees, bamboo can be harvested without adverse effect of the environment. Bamboo can tolerate with heavily and low rainfall. Bamboo can tolerate both heavy and low rainfall. Bamboo releases 35% more oxygen than other plants and absorbs 20% of carbon dioxide from the environment. Scientific plantation of bamboo could dramatically improve air quality with the release of more oxygen and sequestering more carbon dioxide. Bamboo gained importance as a raw material not only for cottage industry but also for large scale industry. Bamboo has great potential as construction and structural material, pulp and paper industry, and bamboo craft sector are the two major users of bamboo resources. With its unique ability to stitch and repair damaged soils, bamboo is ideal for rehabilitating degraded soil. The steps taken by government. National Bamboo Mission (NBM) was commenced in 2006 to provide a new impetus and direction to enable the realization of bamboo's considerable potential. A restructured NBM National Bamboo Mission has been approved in 2018 for the development of complete value chain of bamboo sector to link growers with consumers and to support the development of entire value chain. The Indian Forest Act 1927 defined bamboo as a tree, a contradiction in the law that has deterred the growth of bamboo plantation, particularly in non-forest areas. To facilitate the benefit flow to the farmers, bamboo stock outside forest areas has been excluded from the definition of tree by amending section 2 clause 7 of the act in November 2017. A scheme called Spurti SFURTI Spurti Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries is being implemented by Ministry of MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises in order to boost traditional industries and bamboo artisans. Japanese government is planning to extend help to Mizoram in the development of bamboo industry and road construction projects. TriFed, TRIFED, an apex body under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, would open establishments to train tribal people in using bamboo optimally with zero waste and make agarbatti, matchbox, and even textiles. Way forward to arrest the pace of land degradation in the country, a national program of intensive bamboo plantation involving all stakeholders need to be undertaken beyond 2019-20. Following the footsteps of China, Indian government needs to support rural farmers to establish bamboo plantation in barren lands and slopes. The National Housing Scheme should utilize bamboo as construction material. It is observed that illegal bamboo export to Bangladesh and Myanmar accounts for 13% of uses. There is an urgent need to stop this illegal trading of bamboo. Importance of agro-based industries in Indian context. They are comparatively easy to establish and provide income in rural areas. They are comparatively easy to establish and provide income in rural areas. Facilitate an effective and efficient utilization of raw materials, help in the transmission of industrial culture in rural areas, bringing outlook change of farmers, help in the transmission of industrial culture in rural areas, bringing outlook change of farmers. The food processing industries have tremendous export potential and they set up on cooperative basis ensuring participation of the people in the development process. The food processing industries have tremendous export potential and they set up on cooperative basis ensuring participation of the people in the development process. Potential of agro-based industries in India. By 2020, processed food products and beverages are expected to account for about 15% share in the food basket. Following points present the opportunities of growth for the sector. Input side, revitalized revitalized agricultural growth, surplus production, increased commercialization and diversification of agricultural production labor availability. Demand side, increase in urbanization, fast growing middle class, increasing entry of women in workforce, nuclearization of families, improvement in literacy and exposure to western foods. Policy side, improved ease of doing business together with improvements in logistics, communication, technological innovation, adequate legal and regulatory arrangements for this sector. Challenge to set up agro-based industry. The ease of doing business still needs to improve. Land, labor, and capital are the basic requirements for setting up an enterprise, but India ranks at the bottom in all these three parameters. Capital is cost least. Capital is costly least in India with rate of interest as high as 12%. Many labor laws in India have remained highly restrictive and inflexible world over, including Bangladesh follows a hire and fire policy, but India doesn't allow it. As a result, many textile industries are shifting to Vietnam and Bangladesh and not to India. Straw for income. Reasons for burning of straw. Introduction of combined harvester for paddy harvesting left stubbles on field. Rice harvested by machines gets 400 rupees to 800 rupees less in market compared to rice harvested manually. Narrow window between harvesting of paddy and sowing of next crops. Cutting paddy straw delays the process of wheat plantation. Strategies: farming mushrooms using straw for making compost. Wheat straw has demand for from brick kilns. Wheat straw has demand from brick kilns KILNS where it is used as a fuel. People also use straw as fodder because it is more nutritious than paddy. Other use of straw, include the fuel pellets of the thermal power plants and other biomass processing, cardboard making, etc. Thank you very much.